Do you know how healthy your laptop battery actually is? Most people don't. But Windows has a built-in battery report tool that shows your battery's true condition, capacity, and cycle count. Let me show you how to check it in less than a minute. So let's get started. First, you need to open PowerShell. So go to Start menu and search for PowerShell. Click on Run as Administrator. Now run this command power cfg space / battery report and then press enter. After running this command, you will see a path like this. Now let's open the report so we can analyze the battery health data. Copy this path and paste it into Windows search bar. Click on it. Now select an app to open this .html file. Once the file opens, you will see a clean and well-structured web page containing detailed information about your laptop battery. Let me explain the most important sections you should focus on. At the top of the report, you will see a section called Install Batteries. Here you will find two very important numbers displayed side by side. Number 1, Design Capacity. This represents the maximum energy your battery was designed to hold when it was brand new. And number 2, Full Charge Capacity. This number shows how much charge your battery can actually hold right now. For example, on my own laptop, design capacity 90,090 milliwatt hours and full charge capacity 64,973 milliwatt hours. This means the battery has already lost around 28% of its original capacity, even though it has gone through only 33 charge cycles. Now comes an important question. Is battery degradation normal? Yes, this is completely normal. All rechargeable batteries gradually lose capacity over time. However, the difference between design capacity and full charge capacity gives you a clear picture of how much your battery has aged. If the full charge capacity drops significantly compared to the design capacity, it simply means the battery is slowly wearing out. Another useful piece of information in the report is the cycle count. The cycle count tells you how many complete charge cycles your battery has gone through since it was new. A single cycle means charging from 100% down to 0% and then back up to 100% again. Most modern laptop batteries are typically designed to last around 300 to 500 charge cycles before noticeable capacity loss begins. Of course, the exact lifespan can vary depending on the manufacturer, battery quality, and charging habits. So, the cycle count helps you estimate how much life your battery has already used. Now comes the most important question. Do you actually need to replace your battery? Let's approach this realistically. Many tech channels exaggerate this topic, but the truth is quite simple. If your full charge capacity drops below 50% of the design capacity, then replacing the battery usually makes practical sense. At that point, your laptop will likely experience significantly shorter battery life, and you may find yourself constantly reaching for the charger. However, if your battery still holds around 60% to 70% of its original capacity, then it's still within a perfectly acceptable range. In that case, you can simply continue using it normally. Just be mindful of your charging habits and consider running this battery report again after a few months to monitor how the battery health changes over time. And that's it. With just one simple Windows command, you can generate a detailed battery report and instantly understand your laptop's real battery health, capacity, and cycle count. So that's it for today. If you found this tutorial helpful, then please give it a like, share, and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and tips. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.